Hello friends, welcome back. This is Cloud Institution's Power BI video series. And next we are going to look at slicers and how we can filter data visually. So if you look at it, slicers are visual filters that allow users to slice and dice data in an intuitive way. They are especially useful for letting viewers of your report interact with the report without needing to dive into menus or filters. Now, the slicers may feel very complicated, but it's not so. They are very useful and we'll see how to do it. So let's start with our blank report, and quickly I will look at the data what we have, and we have a CSV file here, and I will explain what the data it contains. So let me show you that it contains date, region, product, category, and sales. Okay, all right. So now, if I just load this data first, okay. So, and then if we have a report, let's say we have a report on, let's take a line graph, and here we'll go for date wise. Let me put date as x-axis and the sales as y-axis. Okay, so what do we have? Let's see. So we have seen that actually the sales are there only between 2 years, that is 2023 and 2024. Okay, and now if I want this sales data to be filtered according to the category, then like product category, if you see the data again, okay, so let me show you the data parallelly. So let me go to downloads and let me show you the data parallel. So if you see here, okay, so we have certain category of data, like we have accessories, electronics, furniture, and then we have personal data. Okay, so if you look at the sales now, if I go back here and I want to look at the sales with respect to certain categories of products, then what you can do is you can go for a slicer. Now as you can see here, the slicer is right here, and you click that and you get a slicer here. Can you see this? Okay, let me just do it again. This is our line graph. I'll just click outside and then take a slicer. So you get another separate slicer. Here in this slicer, you can go for, let's say, category. So I'll bring the category and push it here. Now you have different categories like accessories, electronics, furniture, and personal. So now if I just move this a little bit and make it a little bigger here, and we'll bring this size somewhere here. Okay. Now if I want to look at the sales, actually the sales right now, it is showing for 2023 and 2024. So the sales have actually dropped, but that's all right. So if I want to see only sales for the accessories, then you can click this. So it has slightly changed for accessories. If you see, let me magnify it for you. So let me go to magnifier. Okay, see here. Now the sales are 0.7 million in the 2023, and in 2024 it is 0. Okay. So now if I want to go for electronics, so if I click on electronics, it will show for electronics, it is showing only the data for like about 2023, because we don't have data for 2024 for electronics. So if I go for furniture, then it's moving up on 2023, so we don't have 2024 data. And for personal, it's moving again up and down for 2023. Okay, sum of sales. So if you go back to see the data here and check, see most of the data is 2023. Can you see? So that's why we are only getting for 2023. Okay. So here you can see that because of the slicer, we are able to see the data for which category that we want to see. So this is like how we can use slicer for filtering the report. So if I click again on personal, you will see now the data is for all the products over the years. Okay. Okay, so you can actually try this once, and you can actually create a report based on your own data like this. You can create a data here called date, region, product, sales category, and so on. Just to change certain things, what we'll do is let's go and change this data to 2024. Let's see what happens. So if I change this to 2024, okay, and let me just drag it down so that it's all for 2024. Let's put it till the end like this. Okay, now the data has changed. So what I'll have to do is I will have to I'll have to go to, I mean, I basically have to remove this. Let me go here, close the magnifier. Okay, and go to blank report. And this report, let me just close it. We don't want this because I've changed the data in the background. So I'll create blank report again. Make sure we are saving this file. So let's save it. Go to add data. Go to desktop, sorry, downloads. Go to all files and slicer demo data. Load it. Okay, now we are going to take the line chart again. It's here. Then we are going to take the date, put it on x-axis, and we are going to take the sales and put it on y-axis. Okay, all right. Now we can see some change in the data because we have changed the dates. So we are having for 2023 and we are having to 2024 also. Okay, so let's do one more change. I'll close it. Don't save it. Let's go back to the data, and we'll bring it for 2025 also. So let me go here, and some of them let us make it 2025. Okay, like this, and we'll copy this down like this. Okay, so we have 2023, 2024, 2025. Close this, save it. You can save it from here actually, and then just double check whether it has saved properly. Let me see. Yes, it has saved the data. So close this, save it, close it, and come back to Power BI. So again, we'll start Power BI quickly. Okay, now go to blank report, go to this report. Sorry, load the data, I mean to say. Go to downloads, all files, slicer demo data, and verify the data is for 2025 or 2024, everything. So it's not showing the full data here. So based on 200 first 200 records, so you can go for based on entire data set. So you can see the data 2025. So it's okay. Go to load. Okay, now we have that. So again, we are going back to line. We are going for the date in x-axis and we are going for the sales in y-axis. So now we have much better view because we have 2023, 2024, 2025. So it is the sum of all the products in all the categories, which is 1.4 million, okay, in 2023. So now if I want a filter, let's go for slicer. So go for slicer, so it's here, and go for category in the slicer, it's here. Okay, so now let's analyze it. Okay, I'm trying to make it a little bigger for you. Okay, now if you see the total sales is 1.4 million for all the products. And if you want to just make sure it is true, then we'll have to look at the back data. But pretty much it is correct, no problem. It will definitely take the correct totals. Now, if I click on accessories, see the whole graph changes because only for accessories it is 0.5 million. So if you can see it with magnified view, so it's 0.5 million here. Okay, and in 2024, like it is 1489977, which is like somewhere about 0.14 million, and like that. So now if I go for electronics, then the whole story changes again. Now see, the graph changes. If I go for furniture, the graph changes, and if I go for personal, the graph changes. It's very less because personal data is only for 2024, like that. Okay, and if you don't want the filter, just click on personal again. It will give you back 1.4 million, which was the original data for 2023. Likewise, you can see for others. For 2025, it's very less. If you see, it's 2025, it's only like 231433, but here if you see, it is too much, 1403174. So it's like that. Okay, so that is it. Please go ahead and review this video, turn back or reverse the video and do it in your system. I'll catch you up again in the next video. Thank you.